Hey, what's up guys, Fahad Zaman here. If you deal regularly with PDF files, then an app called TrueRocket PDF Converter from the App Store could easily become your new best friend. It is a very handy PDF to Word converter for iPhone which allows you to convert PDF to Word, image, Excel, HTML and other formats. You can also use it to convert various Office file formats including Word, PowerPoint, Excel to PDF. Moreover, it comes with many features such as merge, split, encrypt or decrypt PDF. So there are a couple of features that require the premium subscription. So one good news for all my subscribers is that the app is giving away 10 of the premium codes for free. So the first 10 people who download and register in the app will get the premium subscription for free. All you have to do is go into the app, go to the profile and just copy your ID, which is the app ID, and comment in down below. So the first 10 people who comment their IDs down below will get the premium subscription for free. The link of this app is available in the video description. Now let's get into the app itself. The first thing we will do is we will convert the PDF to Word file. Tap on PDF to Word. Select the PDF file. First it will upload the file, then it will convert it to the Word. So there you go, it is done. And you can preview it. You can also share it directly from here. You can also convert a PDF to an image. So if you want to do that, tap on the PDF to image converter and then select any PDF you want to convert, and it will basically prompt you to upgrade to premium. So you can only in the free version do it for 5 pages. So if you don't want to do that, just tap on up to 5 pages and the PDF is converted. So it was that easy. You can also rename it if you want. You can also share it right away from here to anywhere you want. You can preview it. So this is the image itself and it's pretty clear as well. Then if you want to save it to your gallery, go into preview and hit on save to album. Hit on the export picture and it's saved. So once you go into your gallery, you can basically see there is a folder called as PDF converter and you have the image right over here. So that is so easy. Then if you go back, you have a couple of more options. So if you want to convert the Word to PDF, you can do that as well. So tap on this. You can select any document that you want. And it's done. You can also rename this and you can preview it. So in the PDF, you can also mark up a couple of things. If you want so, you can basically mark up a particular file you want. Once that is done, hit on share, then you get a remove watermark here, which will require premium. But if you don't want the premium, you can just export it as you want. So share it with watermark and again send it to anyone or anywhere you want. You can also merge multiple PDF files. So we just tap on PDF merge. You can add 2 PDF files. So let's say this one and again merge it with this one. There we go. And hit on start merge. But in this you can only merge 5 pages of a file right now in the free version. So if you are fine with that, you go ahead and select the only merge with 5 pages. But if you want more files, you can buy the premium. We can also split PDF. Select a PDF file. So here are many pages. So if you don't want all of the pages and if you want to keep a couple of pages, 3 or 4 pages, so these two and these two, export PDF and split now. and you can preview it. It will only keep the page that you selected and it is done. Then again, if you want to share it, you can do that. And there are many features and things you can do with this app. You can convert the PDF to text, PDF to HTML to document. You can also encrypt the PDF if you want, but that requires the premium version. You can also decrypt, but again that also requires the premium version. Click on the library. Here it will show you all the files that you have created. So you can also directly share it from here or delete the file that you don't want. So this app makes it pretty easy to convert any file. The link of this app is available in the video description. So that's all for now. Give this video a like and share it with your friends. Comment down below if you have any question. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.